Okay, so here is the best way on how you can play God of War with PS5 joystick on PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So playing God of War with a PS5 joystick is very easy and simple. So I do have a PS5 controller right over here. So what you have to do with your controller first of all is plug in a USB to Type-C wire on your PC and then connect the controller. So once you connect the controller, what you need to do is just go to Steam, and obviously you'd have the game downloaded on your Steam. So what you can do is just simply go to the game and right click on it, and you'll see the option of properties. So inside God of War, it would be the same interface. Just go ahead and press on properties, and right over here you'll see the option of controller. Just go ahead and press on controller, and right over here you have to put in disable Steam input. Just make sure that disable Steam input is turned on and pre-game override has been turned on. So once this is done, you just gotta go back and go to your Steam and then settings, and right over here you gotta go to controller and make sure that guide button focus Steam is turned off, and just pretty much all these settings are copied from mine. And it's pretty much up to you if you want to turn on guide button focus on Steam. It automatically detects the controller and gives you the button of whatever controller you're using, and make sure PlayStation controller support is turned on as well, enable with game support. So yeah, once this is done, you can just simply load in your game and you will be able to play it with a PS5 joystick on your God of War. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.